One of the first questions we get asked by patients is how much are dental implants and why do they cost so much? This is a great question. At Fusion Dental Implant Center, we have a surgeon, lab, and prosthodontist all under one roof, and we're able to control the cost of this treatment. At the larger implant centers across the country, usually it's one size fits all, where you get 4 implants or an all-on-4 treatment with a screw-in denture. This can cost up to $30,000. At Fusion Implant Center, we offer a wide variety of solutions. This may be a removable solution where the teeth actually snap in and out, which can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $12,000. Our number one goal is to provide the highest level of care with board-certified surgeons to meet our patients' dental implant solutions.